Are you looking for the best flux core welder under? In this video we will look at some of the best flux core welder under on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. VIVOHOME Portable Flux Core Wire No Gas 110V Welder Machine. This portable yet powerful welder machine by VIVOHOME provides you the accessibility to manage the current flow. An interesting feature, isn't it? You will have the full control over the current usage of the machine. Gasless welding. The most promising feature of this welder machine is that it is gasless. Therefore, an inert gas is used for the welding of metal sheets. The use of inert gas will also prevent the oxidation of the parts that has been welded. Furthermore, it also makes it good for welding home repairs and fences, etc. Versatile use. The best use of this welder machine is to be used for stainless steel and mild steel. You can also use it to professionally weld thin metal sheets. Furthermore, auto body panel welding and repairing can also be done with the use of this welder machine. You can easily use it for minor repair works of home. Highly mobile. This gasless welder machine is lightweight, and that features makes it quite portable. You can easily take it anywhere you go and do work at any place. The welder is constructed to give you the complete freedom to take the welder at your place of work. At number 2. Hitbox 3-in-1 Welder 220V Flux Core Welder Machine. This is one of the best welder that provides you with a number of benefits and ease of working. You will be able to manage different settings with the use of the control panel. Furthermore, this welder also provides you with the overload protection. Control panel. The control panel is provided to you that will allow you to make settings and adjustments in the operating procedures. These settings will allow you to work with different metals having different thicknesses. Furthermore, this control panel will make it easy for you to operate this welder. Changing the wire speed and the voltage will become super easy. Long-lasting. This super interesting welder provides you with the duty cycle of 35%. This will be beneficial for the protection of welder in the long run. Furthermore, the machine will be protected from the overwork and extreme conditions. Thus, it will last for long period of time and will also provide you with the best possible performance. Various functions. This welding machine also provides you with the ease of using various different welding methods. It is having a lift TIG welding, MIG welding, and also the arc stick welding. Thus, the availability of the 3-in-1 function will enhance your working experience and working time. Furthermore, you will be able to handle a number of different metals. At number 3. Kicking Horse F130 UL Certified Flux Core Gasless Welder 120V and 130A. This welder machine by Kicking Horse is especially made to be used at home. Therefore, it has easy operations and work best on mild steel and stainless steel. This would be perfect for professionals so that they don't have to use their heavy machines for light work. Easy to use. The usage of this welder is made extremely easy and simple. Therefore, a completely new person would be able to use it without any problem. This is because of the idea of creation of this machine for the homeowners. It also does not need high maintenance, so you don't have to worry about anything. Voltage control. Voltage control is an important feature of the welder machines. Although the transformer of this welder machine is having a fixed heat setting, the fine-tuning of the voltage can be done. In this way, the weld puddle can be controlled according to your preferred requirements. Energy efficiency. This welder machine provides you the energy efficiency and cuts off the total energy cost of welding. The total of 25% of the energy cost gets cut off with the use of this welder. All of this is because of the use of IGBT inverter technology. At number 4. Super Deal Pro 110V Commercial 130 AC Flux Machine. Some of the interesting features are combined in this welding machine. This welder allows its users to use MIG welding and also the flux core welding with an automatic feed. Have a look at some other important features. User-friendly operating. This is the most important feature for the welding, especially if you are new to it. Therefore, advanced options for settings and easy access to it is provided to the users. You can simply start the functions with the touch of buttons. Switch panel is provided with detailed instructions. So, the machine is ready to weld right after coming out of the box. Speed control. Wire speed is important for managing the quality of the weld. An unprofessional welder would not be able to manage it well. Therefore, this welder provides its users to manage the wire speed with the use of a simple rotatable switch. You won't have to fall into complexities. Simply, do the welding that you always wanted to do. Powerful welding. This welder machine provides you the ease to weld stainless steel and mild steel panels. DIY projects and minor welding work usually have the steel work. Therefore, you will have the ease to do this sort of welding without any problem. At number 5. Forney Easy Weld 261140 FC I120V Flux Core Welder. An amazing welder with compact construct and less space-consuming body. This welder will allow you to do all of your light welding work without any complex handling and functions. Super powerful. The output of 140 ampere is provided by this welder machine. This powerful performance will allow you to do welding of the mild steel panels up to the size of 1/4 inches. This is best for light users and also for welders who have to manage such light welds. External protection. This easy welder machine by Forney has extreme level protection. The full metal case of the welder protects the machine from any external damage. Furthermore, it is designed to be used for day-to-day activities. Therefore, you can rest assured with its protection. Gasless welding. This welding machine supports gasless welding. Therefore, along with the MIG welding, you will also have the flux core welding. Thus, you can enjoy working on DIY projects. Even if you are a professional, this machine will help you with your work.